Hello, this is Dr.Tariq Masood. Today I'm going to discuss Emotional Intelligence Model Lecture 3, Self-Perceptions. Before my lecture, I used to read Quranic verse, Rabbi Shrahli, Sadri wa Yasli Amri, Wahlal Uqdata min Lisani, Yakfu Qawli Rabbi Zidni Ilma. Okay, this is the baseline of my lectures, which I am talking about emotional intelligence on later stage personality and organization will be discussed next couple of weeks. So that is the part of leadership personality index. Okay, self-perception lesson number 3. Today we will focus self-perception lecture number 3. In my first lecture we discuss self-regard. In my second lecture we discuss self-actualizations. And this is my third lecture to discuss self-awareness. Okay, self-perceptions. So model of emotional intelligence, and we are focusing on self-perception at the moment. Later on we will focus other concept. Okay, emotional self-awareness. That at the end of my slide we will conclude balance emotional intelligence, how emotional self-awareness stand on. Emotional self-awareness, understanding own emotions. If you have solid understanding of what causes your emotions, it is much easier to regulate your behavior and control the impact your emotions have on those you work with. Have a solid read of your inner self. You may describe and manage the emotion you are experiencing. Are aware of how emotions impact team morale, collaborative relationships, and individual performance. Still, you have a few emotions that make you uneasy or are difficult to fully understand. Okay. Emotional self-awareness, impact at work, emotional implications, how to imply emotion. One of the implications of recognizing your emotions and their trigger is that for you, experience and emotion is the result of a cause and effect relationship. You know when and why an emotion will be triggered, and you know how to use that emotion to your benefit. You are usually in attune with of psychological sensations of emotions, but there may be some emotions that continue to slip by unrecognized. Okay, emotional self-awareness, impact at work. As I discussed in my earlier slides, social and behavior implications. Your level of emotional self-awareness indicates that more often than not, you feel comfortable expressing your understanding of your thoughts and ideas to your colleagues, and moreover, you know how your emotion can increase individual and team morale. Your colleagues likely understand your stance and value your openness. When it comes to how you are feeling, there still be some circumstances at work that cause you to be unsure of your emotions. How these are indicating. You could benefit from a bit more investigation into what triggered your feelings in these cases and what subsequent action needs to be done in order to address the issues as far as the social and behavior implications are concerned. Okay, now strategies for action as far as the emotional self-awareness is concerned. Cause and effect. Your certainty in identifying a cause and effect relationship of your own emotions can be leveraged to predict others' emotional reactions. The next time you are in meeting, ask others, how do you feel about these directions, or what is your gut telling you about these decisions? Identifying the causes of your colleagues' emotions and how their emotions impact their buy-in to our decisions. This will help not only to show that you care about others' feelings, empathy, but to give you the information you need to predict how colleagues will react in the future as far as cause and effects are the concerns. Okay, in the second phase here, strategy for action, leveraging emotions, how to do it. Although you understand emotions quite well, you can always work on refining your ability to adopt the right emotions at the right time. People with strong emotions, self awareness, are able to bring on emotions in themselves, which will help them with the task at hand. Experiment with the different techniques and mediums to make you feel a wide range of emotion, for example, sober, happy, anger, creative, or peaceful. Putting yourself in a slightly somber mode can help you focus on analytical tasks, while being happy will help you with a brainstorming or creative task. Okay, this is my last slide. Balancing emotional intelligence as far as emotion self awareness is concerned. Your emotional self awareness is higher than your emotional expressions. You may expect others to be aware of how you're feeling, so make sure you are clearly communicating your feelings to them. Remember, expression is the way you showcase your emotional knowledge, and it will have a greater impact if it works in parallel with your awareness. So this was my last slide, as we have discussed in my first slide self-regard, second self-actualizations, and today we have concluded self-awareness as part of self-perceptions. So these are three concepts we have studied last 3 4 days. Thank you very much your time, and please keep watching my videos, and new lectures will be soon on emotion intelligence that we are going to discuss a second topic. Thank you very much for your precious time. Please send me your feedback and comments t.masood.dr@path.edu. Thanks and stay blessed.